Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. You know me, I am Bill, and I am the Drunken Sailor. This is the place where you get cocktails that not only taste great, they're fun to make. And we show you how to do it at home. If this is something you're interested in doing, grab a seat up here at the bar and join me as we make one of our favorite rock and roll stars' tastiest cocktails. You know, you've heard us before talk about Sammy Hagar, and he has got a cocktail book. And this has got to be one of my favorite cocktail books. Got some really, really great recipes in it. And today we are making a cocktail that is called the Red Head Roast. We haven't done a coffee cocktail in a while. This one's not your espresso martini, but I'm sure you're going to like it. If you like the book, check in there. You can see a link to our Amazon store where you can get the book. The ingredients that we're using with this is we've got some simple syrup. We've got some Kahlúa, coffee-flavored liqueur, and one of Sammy's rums, the Red Head Rum. This one's a little bit different taste to it. This one just screams Hawaii. It's macadamia flavored. We're going to use some cold brewed coffee and some cream. So we're going to grab our shaker and join me. Let's get pouring. We've got our shaker. Our first ingredient going in there is simple syrup. And we're going to use 1/2 ounce. I'm going to follow that up with some cold brewed coffee. We've got it sitting on ice. We want it nice and cold. And for that, we're going to use 2.5 ounces. Now, if you want to make this a really special cocktail, and we were able to find just a little bit of Kona coffee downstairs, we're going to really give this the taste of Hawaii. If you've ever had Kona coffee, it is rich, it's tasty, it's delicious, and even the director likes it. We're going to put in there 2.5 ounces. So we're going to fill that up. And a little bit more. And we've got our coffee in there. Now what we're going to do is follow that up with 1 ounce of cream. You can use cream, you can use half and half. I suppose if you really had to, you could even use coconut milk. Next ingredient going in there is Kahlúa. This is a rum-based coffee liqueur. It's sweet. If you don't want to use that, or you have a Mr. Black or any one of the coffee liqueurs that you like, you can use that. But we're going to put in there 1/2 ounce. Oh, the coffee smell already is really, really good. Our last ingredient going in this shaker is the macadamia nut rum. This stuff, Red Head Rum, it is, I don't use it far enough. This stuff is absolutely amazing in taste. We are going to use 1.5 ounces. If you've ever flown out to Hawaii, instead of giving you peanuts, they give you the little macadamia nuts in the bag. That's what I'm smelling right now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to ice this up and chill it down. We're going to give this a good 10-second shake. We're going to mix it up, chill it down. You know it's nice and cold when you got that condensation on the side of the shaker. Put that off to the side. We're going to put this in a rocks glass, and I've had it off to the side chilling with some water and some ice in it. We're not going to serve this over ice. We're going to dump that out. Now, grab my strainer. We've got a nice chilled glass. We've got a nice chilled cocktail, and we got a nice smooth pour. Got that beautiful brown coffee flavor smell. Oh, I can't wait to taste this one. But we got to garnish it yet. It's not your typical Hawaiian drink cocktail that gets garnished with a pineapple. We're going to use a cinnamon stick, and we're going to freshly grate that cinnamon over the top of this. And if that's not enough, hidden away in this little machine here, I've got some fresh nutmeg, and we're going to grate that over there too. The smells of fresh cinnamon, fresh nutmeg, fresh coffee. I'm waking up already. Let's give this one a taste and see how we did. Oh. You've got that beautiful, rich Kona coffee flavor to it. You've got that Kahlúa to come in there, give you a little bit of sweetness. That macadamia rum just brings it a whole different flavor that you're not used to seeing because there's not a whole lot of macadamia liqueurs out there. The aroma of that nutmeg and the cinnamon hits you. If this one doesn't wake you up, I don't know what's gonna. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Come on back for our next cocktail. Cheers, everybody.